A powerful winter storm that swept down the West Coast with flooding and frigid temperatures focused on Southern California today. Blizzard warnings continued in the California mountains and flood advisories blanketed the region. Christian Benavides reports from Plains, Georgia.
Up and down California, residents are battling a rare winter storm.
Before you know it, you can be driving in this and you hit the ice.
The snowplows were out in full force in the San Bernardino Mountains northeast of Los Angeles. 3 motorhomes were swept into the Santa Clara River when an embankment collapsed. It wasn't a movie special effect, but Mother Nature that brought the unusual sight of snow to the Hollywood sign. Heavy rains filled the generally bone-dry Los Angeles River with raging floodwaters, and flooding trapped cars and shut down parts of Freeway 5 in Sun Valley. Friday, near whiteout conditions in the high desert area northeast of LA caught residents off guard.
We don't get this ever, so this is terrific.
By Saturday, Santa Clarita Valley residents woke up to a mix of snow and rain. Even parts of the Bay Area saw rare snowfall in communities like Berkeley Hills. In the state center, dogs and even goats enjoyed a romp in the snow. The storm put some to work, but left a little time for fun.
After I finished shoveling my path here in our driveway, I wanted to make a snowman. It was just too irresistible with this good pack of snow.
And outside San Francisco, these kids certainly weren't letting a rare snow day go to waste. Christian Benavides, CBS News.